This unprovoked war of aggression by the United States and Israel against Iran has already taken a massive toll.
See, one of the reasons why I feel this was Trump reacted to get away from to bury the Epstein file so quick that they went ahead and initiated World War III, but didn't think of the consequences and didn't think it through clearly. And here are some of the things that are popping up. And the issues that are popping up simply complicate the situation even further. And I'm not sure if we have a way out of it. So because we are not going to will not be able to exit the situation without basically paying reparations. If we can't exit the situation, then that means that Iran is going to continue to exert its control, meaning the prices are going to go up for everybody.
Then we have President Trump issuing a threat saying that he will bomb Iranian power infrastructure if the Strait of Hormuz is not reopened within 48 hours. Then he backs down on that and says that threat has been delayed by...
Because it's like a double negative. You close the Strait of Hormuz and that's energy, and then you destroy an energy plant. It doesn't make any sense. It's not going to, it still won't, it's going to reinforce them closing the Straits of Hormuz. I think what you're seeing from this elite class, because for decades, I guess for centuries, they've been promoting based on who's the most loyal to them. And therefore, you have a group of powerful people, but all of them are basically incompetent, right? Because they never worked to get to those positions. Those positions were handed to them. So the real people who were supposed to have had those positions are either dead or either in mental health hospitals or just burned out. They never had a chance to get recognition for all of the contributions they've had. It's simply been stolen by the people on the top. So right now, you're seeing incompetence amongst the powerful elites, but you see them very effective at killing. You see them very effective at unaliving and damaging children and women. They're very effective at that, but they're incompetent in running businesses. They're incompetent in running organizations. They destroy everything they get their hands on. And you can see Trump is in a frenzy, and he is spiraling out of control because the sheer number of decisions he's making is leading to so many other complicated situations. I'm not sure how long he's going to be able to survive this.